All right, it's Tuesday morning. We've got a beautiful start to the day here. Sun's coming up after unfortunately another night of chaos in the streets. So it's time to get the mind right, get ready for the day. Look at these markets, and aside or in light of, I guess, all the hostility that we have going on at the moment, the protests, the riots, which is then turned into looting and destruction, these markets are continuing to push higher. So another 150 points higher in the Dow in the overnight session as we head into the open. Strong session overnight in Asia, strong session overnight in Europe. Look at some of the other markets. We've got oil pressing higher by about 3% this morning, so up above $36 a barrel in WTI as we await news from OPEC on more production cuts. So keep you focused there if you're looking for some volatility. Could see some shakeout in that market. Look at the currencies. It's more of the same over the past couple days of risk on. So we're seeing weakness in the dollar, continuing to see strength, particularly in the euro and the Aussie. So certainly got some movement there. Not much movement in gold to speak of. Do have a big jobs report coming out on Friday. You can get in on Nadex, as I mentioned yesterday. We do have that unemployment rate contract that's live now. Get in there and make your prediction. So let's all try and have a good day. Let's try and be positive. More importantly, let's try and do something positive for someone else. Spread a little bit of kindness. Seems to be a world of some hostility right now. All right, I'll check in with you guys again tomorrow. Stay posted in on Facebook and Twitter. We'll keep you updated as stuff breaks today. All right, take care, everybody.